Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwayne Woolley at nandito ako ngayon sa Manila, Pilipinas. Kung bago lang kayo sa aming channel, welcome po dito sa Duanta Fam. Duanta Fam, ka na ba? Kung hindi ka pa Duanta Fam, subscribe na kayo para maging Duanta Fam ka na. Welcome to the family! Grabe, alam nyo ba, super nakakamangha itong nangyari sa akin. Kinuha kasi ako para sa isang commercial ng Jollibee. Habang kami nagsushoot, nakita ko na may isang Amerikano nagtrabaho sa Jollibee na yan. Panoorin natin to. Unang-una, pumunta ako sa Jollibee store para mag-makeup. Makeup para sa commercial, ha? Wala akong dugong Becky. Panoorin natin tong experience kong to. Ito ang co-star na si Diane. Kumusta ka dyan?
Wow, naman sa Tagalog.
Siyempre. Pusong Pinoy kasi ako eh. Naganda ko na eh. Mabuhay kayo dito sa Jollibee. Ayun, nandito kami ngayon para sa isang commercial. Kasama ko si Eric Busby. Kahapon siya yung lead. Ngayon ako naman ang lead. I remember Eric Busby from Diwata.
Talagang huwaga walang katapat, bagamat pinagbawalan ipaglalabang sapagkat ikaw lang ang minamahal ko, oh, aking diwata.
And what was that other one we did? Magda. Yeah.
Mga natanong istorya, ako'y kanyang matalik na kaibigan.
What up, Dwantanatics?
Yeah.
Dwanta Nation.
Duanta Nation. I like that one. Duanta Nation. What else you got, man? Dwantanatics, Duanta Nation.
With Dwanta, I can't think of any right now. I know they.
That was Eric Busby. So we're here shooting this commercial for... Ay, hindi ko pala pwedeng sabihin. Basta abangin nyo lang yung commercial na to. Siguro i-play ko siya sa katapusan ng vlog na to, ha? Abangan. Let me introduce you to the other artistas or extras that are here with us. Kaway ka dyan!
Hi.
Ayun!
Sit in.
Hey, wait, bro.
And the windows is
Hey, hello!
Come and say hi to you, right?
Jenna!
So excited. Come join us.
What's up, Diego?
I'm watching a movie.
Yeah! Last but not least is Natalia Moon.
Yeah,
Kaway ka dyan, Natalia.
we're talking about money here. Money.
Ka na, Diego. Guwapo. Alam ako. Bakit ikaw guwapo? Ako maganda. Iba kasi yung makeup namin eh. Ito po yung set natin ngayon dito sa Jollibee. Pero hindi siya Jollibee commercial. Ibang product yung ine-endorse natin dito sa Jollibee. Eric! Kailangan po ako ng lapel daw.
Lapel.
Lapel.
Sir Eric.
Ah, siya si Eric. Okay.
Marami.
Maraming Eric.
Marami. Tatlo, apat.
Talaga? Grabe. Kaloka. Ready to rock and roll, Diane? Ready to rock and roll?
I never thought I'd wear this uniform ever in my life, but now it's
Never thought
come
you'd work
true.
at Jollibee.
Yeah.
Yan, oras ko na para mag-shoot at dun ko na nakita ang Amerikano na nagtrabaho sa Jollibee. This here is a very rare sight. The first white man working at Jollibee. First one What's up, man? Maputing Jollibee. Actually, hindi talaga siya Jollibee commercial, kundi na-shoot siya dun sa Jollibee store. It's so popular now that they've had to import foreigners. Imported. Here's Natalia Moon. You might recognize her from any TV show you've ever watched in the Philippines.
Whatever.
She is my Mrs. Today.
I am.
Magkasama kami ngayon.
Yeah.
Ayun, kunwari lang. Tayo kayo dyan, camera crew. Tayo kayo dyan. Morning. Morning.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, action, go!
Ayun, mag-shooting na tayo. Handa ka na, Larissa? Handa ka na extra? Galingan mo sa extra, ha?
Yes, I'm gonna order a lot of stuff.
Oo nga eh. Ang isa pang scene, nandito kami sa bar. Mangiinom kami ni Busby. Kunwari maglalasing kami dito sa Shakey's. Ready to get wasted, Busby?
Absolutely.
Wasted on
Waiting all
fake
morning for this
beer.
moment.
Here's our bartender, Mr. Bobby Skies. Yeah. It's an expensive watch you got there, bro.
Some of that fake beer in you, man.
Yeah.
What is it? Lemon lime and biz?
Uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo. Panoorin natin mamaya yung buong commercial, ha? What's up, Jenna?
I was just looking at you like, what are you doing? Why are you talking to yourself?
This is what you do when you're on YouTube. You have to talk to yourself. You gotta get used to
Okay.
it.
It's like, oh yeah.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Coming soon.
Wow, abangan.
Coming soon. I'll link it to your bio or whatever.
Ayun.
Swipe up. Oh no, that was the Instagram story.
Ano ba yan, Tinder? Lars. Up here.
Alright, okay. See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Alright, okay, okay.
Hey, I'll see you, bro.
Hey man, catch you later. Are you gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah, that's the plan.
It's a wrap. Let's go. Ayan, eto na siya. Jollibee commercial. Alright, play na natin.
Hello, can I get you guys today?
Hi, I'd like to use a Bank Rewards offer linked to my payment Vico.
Well,
Yes, just scan
English.
your code under either.
Okay.
You've redeemed your free Bank Rewards meal voucher. Would you like to add anything else to your order?
Just an additional burger meal, thanks.
Okay. So,
American
one of
accent
your 2
pa.
meals is free as a bank reward. Would you like to pay with your bank card linked to your rewards program? You don't have to scan your code again.
That'd be great.
That'd be great.
Just accept the payment at the credit card terminal.
Do I need my PIN?
No need. The code knows that it's you.
Ayun no. O diba, hindi siya Jollibee commercial, pero na-shoot pa rin siya sa Jollibee. So technically, maaari kong sabihin na I was in a Jollibee commercial, char. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ngayon naman ay shoutout time! Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Duwanta Fam channel, eto na ang pagpasalamat namin sa inyo. Una sa lahat, we have Jenny A. Ramos. Duwanta pa shoutout po. Salamat po. Next, we have Angie Lee and Ayla Sor. Len Ernie, thank you so much for watching. Next up, we have Ronel Lazaga Gracia. Maraming salamat po. Next up, Belle Macaron. Sabi niya, hindi talaga ako na-shoutout. Tagal ko na nagpa-shoutout ka, loka. So wakas, may shoutout ka na, Belle. Next up, we have Noreen Ira Abanilla. Her birthday is on March 17. Advance happy birthday po. And last but not least is Jonel Mangandi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kita-kits po sa sunod na video ng Duwanta. Bye for now.
Shadows closer than you know. Can you let me love you?